You ordered the tropical rainstorm? Let's hear it.
It looks nice wet, actually.
It's more tropical. Aloha. How are your drinks?
Oh, this is a video.
It's a video.
These are delicious. Just from Molokai Bar.
Look at it. It's like the noodles.
Molokai Bar, the music stopped. Oh, we're not even ready for lights. Hello, Tikis. Whoa, a bunch of people all dressed alike. I don't know about that. So much room right now. Notice also, I think I pointed this out before, no bartenders. You don't see the drinks being made here.
Good evening, everybody. How y'all doing tonight? All right. At the Mai-Kai, having cocktails, enjoying the vibe that they started back in the 50s. This tiki was something that here we go. Better. So this tiki is something that was part of the original shipment of tikis that came from Barney West. It was posted out on its spot and served well for 70 years. And the years have not been kind to it. And the tiki actually had fallen to a point where it was ready to split into two pieces. And Bill decided that he wanted to bring it back to life. And I was tasked with the duty of getting to do it. And it was an immense amount of work, but it was also very rewarding knowing that I was working on something that was kind of historic, especially in our community. And the final results I hope you all enjoy. We didn't want to do it out on the road. We didn't want to bring everybody out and like get run over. So throughout the night, take a chance, walk out there and get your pictures with it. It should be a beautiful night for it, and I hope you all enjoy the tiki. It's the Barney West by Tom Fowler. So,
awesome.
Thank you very much.
All right, we're going to the tiki that was just dedicated. I feel like we're breaking a lot of rules, but I keep being told this is Florida, so I guess it's okay.
They said it's the yellow one with the green hat.
Oh, yeah, well, oh no.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
That should be a thing. That should be good.
That should be, well, there is a,
It is? Yeah, but that's not it.
no, but this is also Barney West.
But do they make them?
No, Crazy Al made this one for the tiki, for 20 or 10 years ago.
Is the poo-poo platter. Woo!
Thank you. Table 31, we have Daniel and Jean. Happy birthday to both of you. At table 33, we have Brian.
Woo!
34, we have Sandy. Happy birthday.
One more time, ready?
Oh, you got your rum?
Yes.
Did you buy it yet?
2 bottles of rum.
All right, trouble.
I just hold one. I held one for.
Are you getting 2 bottles?
No, I held one for Jason.
He's out there.
Let me grab him.
It's a fabulous, amazing Mai-Kai gift shop.
Created to be like not what we
I'm gonna have to call you. You're gonna have to.
are.
All right.
Yay! Oh, friends.
Michael, it's Ben.
Beautiful. How beautiful is that?
Matthew was out of control.
You guys make those dresses and shirts.
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
Should we find a table?
It's a tiki.
Look at these guys. Hello.